How to add screen recording on control center in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add a screen recording on your control center, then simply swipe down to your control center and then press and hold on blank space, and then here you can see the option add a control. Now click on add a control and then search here screen recording. Now click on screen recording and then it will add on your control center, and if you want to start your screen recording, then simply click on it and it will start your screen recording, and then press and hold on screen recording icon. Now here you can start your screen recording, and here you can turn on or off your microphone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.